Good morning, guys. This is Vineet Pandey, and see this. I was checking this. It's the last year paper, 2023, December 2023, paper one. So, how to deal with comprehension kind of questions? I suggested you once in my class. Read it first. First time, just read it for the sake of overall understanding. In Hindi, एक बार इसको पूरा पढ़ो ताकि तुम्हारे दिमाग में कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए कि वो क्या कहना चाहता है. देन इफ पॉसिबल इन द सेकेंड रीडिंग अंडरलाइन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. व्हाट, व्हेन, हु, वेयर, व्हाई. दूसरी रीडिंग में उन चीजों को अंडरलाइन करो. कौन, क्या, कैसे, कहां, क्यों. ये जो अंडरलाइंस हैं, these underlines will help you to have many questions. In the second reading, also underline facts, data, quotation, years. सेकेंड रीडिंग में आप अंडरलाइन करो कि कोई फैक्ट्स हैं, कहीं कुछ अमाउंट लिखा है, कोई ईयर लिखा हुआ है, कोई डेटा मेंशन्ड है, कोई कोटेशन है, कोई कमेंट है. इनको अंडरलाइन करो. एंड देन यू गो फॉर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चंस. सो नॉर्मली इफ इट इज इजी यू विल नॉट नीड थर्ड रीडिंग. अगर पेपर में आसान आया है कॉम्प्रिहेंशन तो आपको थर्ड रीडिंग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इन द सेकेंड रीडिंग ओनली you will be able to identify things, because in second reading you underline data, you underline quotations, कुछ results, judgment, conclusion, इनको भी underline करो. जैसे what happened, what was the result, what provoked it, ये सारी चीजें underline करो. Underline these things. You will be able to get maximum answers in your comprehension. In front of you, it's a reading that I did. I underline all important concepts that can be asked as a question, and then I went for answers. I got all my answers correct. All the answers were correct. Why? Because if you see the questions, I'm sharing the questions with you. All of these questions were already underlined by me in my single reading. जब मैंने इसको रीड किया तो मैंने सारी इंफॉर्मेशन who, what, why, where, when, plus results, plus quotations, declarations, data, things written in inverted comma, ये सब मैंने पहले ही अंडरलाइन कर लिया. I underlined these things. And then when I went for questions, it was easy for me to answer each and everything. This is the simple trick. Apply it and you'll be able to have a better answer in comprehension questions. This is the exclusive strategy only for offline batch Google Drive students, and this is not some planned study. As I told you, as a teacher, active teacher, I am dealing with this paper. I was solving it on my own. I applied my method, and it is a practical approach. I am not teaching you some fixed pattern and theoretical ideas. I am teaching you something that I have applied. I normally use in my question papers when I attempt these kind of comprehensive things. So no need to panic. Hardly 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You have to use your brain. Think like Vineet Pandey. First reading, overall reading. Second reading, to mark every second line which is important, which has facts, data, some quotation, some who, what, why, when, why. These kind of things. Underline these things and trust me. Even if it is toughest, out of 5 you'll be able to answer 3 to 4.